Hello my dear students, this is Pushpa Varadarajan from Army Public School, Bangalore. In this video, you are going to learn about rational numbers. This is the first chapter in the 8th standard CBSE textbook. A rational number is one which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. A rational number is one which can be written in the form of P by Q. And all fractions are rational numbers. 3 by 5, 4 by 6, 2 by 7. All fractions are rational numbers. All integers are also rational numbers because 5 can be written in the form of 5 by 1. Minus 7 can be written as minus 7 by 1, and 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Now, all the properties of integers holds good for the rational numbers also. Now, from the textbook, we are going to solve few sums related to properties of rational numbers. In this first question is using appropriate property find. Question is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 and into 1 by 6. Here just you can multiply and add and subtract and find the answer, but here they have told using the appropriate property. If you use the appropriate property, your calculation will be easier. Now here this is one and this is one term and this is one term. Now I will shift this term to this side, this rational number to last. That is, first one is minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. I have shifted plus 5 by 2 to the other side. You know very well, in commutative property, you can add any two rational numbers in any order. That is, A plus B is same as B plus A. Similarly, if there are three rational numbers, that is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, you can add A plus B first and then add C, or you can add B plus C first and then add A. What we have done is, we are adding these two first and then we will add this. Now this will become 3 by 5. Here we have used associative property. Associative property we have used, and we have shifted 5 by 2 to the last. Now here the common factor is minus 3 by 5. Common factor is 3 by 5 and you are left with 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. You have taken minus out and 3 by out and into also outside. You are left with 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. Here it is 5 by 2. Now here you have used distributive property. Distributive property you have used. You have taken out common factor out and then you are simplifying the rational numbers which is there inside the bracket. Minus 3 by 5 and LCM is 6 and here 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, therefore 2 into 2. 6 1s are 6, therefore 1 into 1 plus 5 by 2. Here it is minus 3 by 5, and here 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. From this you will get minus 3 by 5, and here 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Here 5 gets cancels, and 3 1s are and 3 2s are. Therefore you are left with minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. From this you will get LCM is 2, and then 2 1s are, that is minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Here they have given the rational numbers in this order, and you know you can add any 3 rational numbers in any order. You can add first and the second first, then the third, or second and third, and then the first one. Here I have shifted 5 by 2 to the here, and then minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 6. Therefore we have used here associative property, and then here minus 3 by 5 I have taken out. Therefore you are left with here 2 by 3 and 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Here if you add these two you will get 5 by, here 2 2s are 4 and 1 1s are 1. Therefore 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 6. Here 3 1s are and 3 2s are, and 5 gets cancels, and therefore you are left with minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. If you take LCM it will be minus 1 plus 5. Therefore 4 by 2 is equal to 2. And one more sum from the textbook. Using write the additive inverse of the following. Write the additive inverse of the following. Write additive inverse of the following. See, for plus 2 additive inverse is minus 2, so that plus 2 and minus 2 if you add you will get 0. And similarly for A, additive inverse is minus 8. Here 2 by 8. For this additive inverse is minus 2 by 8. Minus 2 by 8. So that if you add 2 by 8 plus minus 2 by 8 you will get 0. Similarly for minus 5 by 9, additive inverse is plus 5 by 9. So that when you add these two you will get 0. And then next is minus 6 minus 5 can be written as 6 by 5. That is minus divided by minus is plus. Therefore additive inverse of 6 by 5 is 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. And if it is 2 by minus 9, that is this can be written as plus divided by minus. If there is nothing it is plus, plus divided by minus is minus, you will get minus 2 by 9. Therefore additive inverse is plus 2 by 9. See, additive inverse means if you add any two rational numbers you should get the answer as 0. That is for plus 7, additive inverse is minus 7. When you add plus 7 and minus 7 you will get 0. For 2 by 8 the additive inverse is minus 2 by 8. For minus 5 by 9 additive inverse is plus 5 by 9. Next question is find the multiplicative inverse of, this is additive inverse. Next it is write the multiplicative inverse. Now next is find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse. For 13, multiplicative inverse is minus 1 by minus 13. See here, when you multiply these two, the answer should be 1. That is minus 13 into 1 by minus 13 is equal to 1. See, multiplicative inverse means for A, the multiplication inverse is 1 by A. For 7, the multiplication inverse is 1 by 7. Now, for 13 by 19, multiplication inverse is for 13 by 19, multiplication inverse is minus 19 by 13, so that when you multiply these two, the answer will be 1. Next is minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. They have given both the numbers together. We have to multiply minus into minus is plus 5 3s are 15 and it is 56. For this, multiplicative inverse is multiplicative inverse is 56 by 15, so that if you multiply these two, you will get the answer as 1. For 7, multiplicative inverse is 1 by 7. For minus 5, multiplicative inverse is 1 by minus 5, so that the answer will be 1. And one more type of sum. Here you have to say which property they have used to find the answer. Now next question, name the property used in each of the following. Name the property used. Name the property used. Property used. Now here, minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Here is equal to minus 4 by 5 is the answer. But here we have used, one is called the identity element for multiplication. Therefore, here we have used identity element or identity element for multiplication. Here we have used identity element for multiplication. And next sum is minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 17, minus 2 by 17 into minus 13 by 17. Here they have multiplied first these two and then they have multiplied here this into this. You will get the same answer. Therefore, here you have used commutative property of multiplication. Here we have used commutative property of multiplication. And then next one, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equal to 1. Here we have used multiplicative inverse. multiplicative inverse. And the next one is 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Here we have used associative property. Associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. Here in this question they have asked which property they have used. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5. Here 1 is called the identity element for addition. Therefore, here we have used identity element for multiplication. Here they have multiplied A into B is equal to B into A. You will get the same answer. Therefore, it is commutative property. Here, for 19 by 29, the multiplicative inverse is 29 by minus 19, so that the answer is 1. Here we have used multiplicative inverse. We have used the reciprocal. And the last one, if there are 3 rational number, we can multiply this in any order. Therefore, here we have used associative property. And then next one. Multiply 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. First we have to write the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Now reciprocal for minus 7 by 16 is minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7. Minus 16 by 7, or this can come here also. Here reciprocal means for 5 reciprocal is 1 by 5. For 2 by 3 reciprocal is 2 by 3. The reciprocal is 3 by 2. And therefore they have asked you multiply this by the reciprocal of 16 by minus 7. If you multiply 16, 16s are 96, and here it is minus 91. And one more sum is 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Here you have understood multiplicative inverse of 8 by 7 is 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. Here they are asking whether this answer is equal to 8 by 9, that is minus 1 by 8 is equal to 8 ones are 8, 9 by 8, 9 by 8. Here if we add these two, the answer should be 1, that is 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8. The answer is not 1. Here the answer is minus 1. Therefore 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Here what happened? Minus 1 by 8 can be written as minus 9 by 8. For 8 by 9, the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9, the multiplicative inverse is 9 by 8. Here 9 gets cancels and 8 gets cancels. The answer should be 1. If it is 1, then it is the multiplicative inverse. Otherwise, it is not. One more. is 0 by 3, the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Now 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10 and 1 by 3 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Here it is yes because 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3 because 3 by 10 into 10 by 10 10 by 3 is equal to 1. That is 3 by 10 into 10 by 3 is equal to 1. See, in this video you have learnt a rational number is one which can be written as p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, and all rational number, all fractions are rational number because all are there in the form of p by q, and all the integers are rational numbers because -5 can be written as -5 by 1, where -5 is there in the numerator and 1 is there in the denominator. 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 by 1, and rational numbers can be represented on the number line, and all the properties of the integers holds good for the rational numbers also, and it is holds good only for addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division. And then in the next video you are going to solve the sums from the second exercise. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.